Now let's move on and talk about voicing and consonants pairs. Basically, all speech sounds, all of them, either voice or a voiceless, are considered voicing. So when we produce a voice sounds is because our vocal cords are variated. In other hand, when they are apart, when they are not variated, then we produce voiceless sounds. All vowels are voiced, um, but the consonants can be a voiceless or voiced sound. Pairs consonant. Pairs consonants is when our mouth position required to make two sounds, two similar sound, but one of these sounds is voiceless, and the other one is a voice sound. For instance, we have um, a voiceless sounds such as p, t, and voiced b, d, z. So let's hear the contrast between them. We consider minimal pairs because um, they are articulated in the same position. Look at this. P. And then we put a voice in there. B, p, b. Our vocal cord variates when we pronounce the b sound. So they are also articulated in the same place. They both are bilabial. We have t, d, t, d, t, as in tomato, d, as in date, as in fake, and then as in voiced. So let's hear again. P, b, t, d, v, z. If we don't use the proper voicing, specifically with s and z ending words, we are going to misunderstood our speech to the other and also make the communication unclear. The message that we are trying to transmit is going to be unclear. That's why it is important to use the proper voicing. So there are three rules that really help to have a better pronunciation. The rule number one is if the last sound in a word is voice or voiceless, and you are adding or s sound, then or s letter, then the s is unvoiced as well, such as cups, cuts, and break. Cups, cuts, break. Rule number two. If a word ends with one of these sounds, such as z, sh, and g, add z, sound, such as pages, 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 lunches, lunches, and raises, raises. Rule number three. If a word ends with a vowel sound, add a voice z. For example, trees, days, and shoes. A pair of shoes. So there are some words with the letter z of the letter s and sounds as z. For example, is, as soon as, this, easy, go easy, go easy on me, and also because.